Hi watchers, in this video I will discuss top 10 automobile brands in the world. So now how about we have a quick look at the top 10 car brands in the world. First place, Toyota. Second place, Volkswagen. Third place, Daimler. Fourth place, General Motors. Fifth place, Honda Motors. Sixth place, BMW. Seventh place, Tesla, Inc. Eighth place, Ford Motor. Ninth place, Fiat Chrysler. 10th place, Nissan Motor. 10. Renault Nissan Alliance. Nissan market capitalization of Renault is $38.92 billion. Nissan Motor Corporation is a Japanese automaker organization that was established in the city of Yokohama in Japan in 1933. It was framed on December 26 and Nissan has delivered almost 275,000 all-electric vehicles in the year 2016. The association has fabricating offices in almost 20 nations around the globe, and its buyer divisions originate from in excess of 160 unique countries. In the end, Nissan works a tremendous arrangement of incredibly famous brands that work in the car business to make a wide assortment of items. Mainstream models. Nissan Motor has been selling almost 93,814 models since mid-2019. It was incredible performing following the acclaimed models in the following three vehicles, which incorporate reasonable vehicles with individual Sentra, Altima, and Versa. 9. Fiat Chrysler Automobiles. FCA, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, has a $33.6 billion market capitalization. FCA is a UK-based vehicle organization. It is one of the UK's most popular brands and different pieces of the world too. Fiat beat Renault to get one of the best vehicle fabricating firms on the planet in 2018. Fiat Chrysler Automobiles created 1,152,725 units in the primary quarter of 2017, and with 431,666 units conveyed, it is good to go to remain in 8th spot. 33% of Fiat Chrysler vehicles are delivered in the US, and all are Chrysler 200 models. Chrysler likewise covers the Dodge Challenger, Jeep, and all Ram models. An aggregate of 89% of Jeeps are fabricated in the US. Well-known models. Fiat Chrysler Automobiles possesses model vehicles, for example, Alfa Romeo, Chrysler, Fiat, Jeep, Dodge Challenger, Maserati, Ram, and others. 8. Portage Motor. Portage Motor has $44.78 billion in market capitalization. Henry Ford had a fantasy about making the best vehicle organization and, by buying a Michigan firm, presently known as Ford Motor Company, they began it. In the year 1903, Ford Motor presented vehicles planned and designed by Henry Ford to make and sell. At around 200,000 workers worldwide, the organization is expanding its contributions to incorporate a full scope of Ford autos, transports, half-breed vehicles, and so on. Portage is the second biggest car provider in the United States. Passage is additionally the world's second biggest family-claimed company. This has had quite a while. Recently claimed first position and number one vehicle sold in America. Celebrated models: Ford F-Series trucks, F-150, Ford Escort, Ford Model T, Ford Fiesta, Ford Focus RS, Ford Mustang, Ford Transit, and Ford Taurus. 7. Tesla Incorporated. Market capitalization for Tesla Incorporated is around $48.18 billion. It was established by a designing gathering, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, the year 2003. The organization's name is an accolade for creator and electrical architect Nikola Tesla. While Tesla, an electric vehicle creator, has lost $9 billion in market and incentive since May 2018, it didn't venture up or down in the rundown of the top vehicle organization's world rankings. Tesla keeps up its spot as the world's 8th most significant automaker. Confronting splendid and eager proceeds onward the market, Tesla's specialist and innovation business visionary CEO Elon Musk has likewise demonstrated a conflicting and ineffectual way to its development. Mainstream models, Tesla's Model 3 has been the smash hit all-electric vehicle brand around the world. 6. BMW Gathering. BMW Group has a $53.9 billion market capitalization. BMW, Bayerische Motorenwerke AG, established in Munich, Germany in 1916, has slipped a couple of spots into the rundown of the world's greatest automakers over the most recent couple of years. They have their assembling units in almost 14 nations over the globe. Additionally, the association fills in as the provider of premium money-related and versatility administrations, lowest charges. BMW has advanced into a really global association with more than 30 assembling and dissemination plants in numerous nations and an overall market network for different organizations since its establishing in the year 1916. The absolute workforce quality of the organization is 120,000 plus, of which around 90% of the laborers are in the car section and others are essential for money-related and portability administrations. Mainstream models, Mini Cooper, Rolls-Royce, BMW i, BMW X models are possessed by BMW Bunch as top-rated vehicles by them. 5. Honda Motor Co. Their $57.48 billion in market capitalization. Honda Motor Company is a Japanese worldwide producer of vehicles and bikes with its quality over the globe. They offer both engine vehicles and vehicle arrangements. Soichiro Honda established the organization in 1948 and is settled in Tokyo, Japan. Later in 1959, they went to the U.S. Honda puts on the map vehicles, and most of fabricated Honda vehicles are made in the United States. Honda is the world's 5th biggest vehicle producer and is behind Toyota, Volkswagen Group, and Daimler organizations on the rundown. It was established in and has had a noteworthy excursion to get one of the world's driving makers. The partnership has extended consistently since the dispatch of the principal U.S. store during the 1950s, to turning into a worldwide brand to get comfortable states. In the year 2017, they sold in excess of 5 million vehicles. Well-known models, Honda CR-V, Honda Civic, Honda Accord, and Honda Pilot. General Motors. Ford has $52.68 billion in market capitalization. General Motors was established in 1908 by Williams Buick, proprietor of the vehicle producer Buick. The association works on 5 land masses over a few nations with its provincial central command in Detroit, USA. It has in excess of 12,000 wholesalers who sell in excess of 125 nations. General Motors turned out to be North America's first organization to build an exploration office exclusively to investigate the vehicle's rollovers. The business offers vehicles from electric vehicles to full-estimate rock-solid trucks that say a lot about the worldwide extent of the item. The organization's accomplishment in the earlier year was great. The organization sold almost 9 million vehicles worldwide through its vendors in 2017, with in excess of 12,450 selling vehicles in 125 nations around the world. The business has accomplished being one of the organizations with the biggest income in the U.S. car industry. Famous products. In the earlier year, the organization has dispatched numerous items that incorporate notable brands, for example, Chevrolet, Cadillac, and GMC in their portfolio. 3 Daimler AG has a market capitalization of $68.50 billion. Daimler shares, which has been drooping bit by bit more than 4 years. The stock has lost over half of its incentive during that period. It, then again, drove Daimler AG to drop a spot in the rankings, despite the fact that 2018 shaped to be its continuous year of progress. The business has a wide presence in different spaces across Mercedes-Benz Traveler vehicles, Daimler buses, vans, buses, and financial services. Mercedes-Benz of the gathering Daimler AG is likewise an innovator in four-wheel drive off-road models. Daimler likewise performed incredibly well in the class of electric vehicles, as a sum of 136,000 brilliant electric models were sold around the world. With them, Mercedes-Benz Cars additionally sets an unrivaled arrangement of records for rising its unit deals for over 4 years out of every month. Thusly, it is one of the main 10 car organizations on the planet, with its third situation in the top vehicle brands graph. Popular models. Daimler AG's Traveler vehicle division is Mercedes, which sold over 2.4 million Mercedes-Benz as Daimler's top-selling brand. 2 Volkswagen VW. Volkswagen has a $95 billion market capitalization. Volkswagen had sold in excess of 10 million vehicles in 2017 and was established in 1937. The company comprises of 2 industry gatherings, the car gatherings and the shopper divisions of money-related administrations. Volkswagen's car divisions likewise incorporate Traveler vehicles, weighty business vehicles and the mechanization business territories of power engineering. Volkswagen's Traveler vehicles' dream is to move individuals and push them effectively forward. The group has gained notoriety for claiming enormous names of vehicles, for example, Volkswagen passenger vehicles, Audi, Seat, Skoda, and so on. The organization set another achievement in 2017 by providing an aggregate of 1.07 crores of vehicles in endless countries around the world. With a workforce quality of around 6,42,300, the organization is one of the biggest private division bosses in the car business and one of the world's driving vehicle brands around the world. Renowned models. the general development in the Volkswagen Group's notoriety broadened smash hit models, for example, Volkswagen T-Cross and Škoda Kodiaq. One Toyota Motor Company has a $19.99 billion market capitalization. Inside their organization, Toyota Motor contributed $1 million every hour for innovative work. With its central command in Aichi, Japan, the organization has developed to turn into the fifth biggest income-related business on the planet. The organization works through in excess of 50 creation plants abroad, spread more than 30 nations and districts of the world. This covers the entirety of the world's more extensive locales including North America, Latin America, Africa, Asia-Oceania, and Europe. The association has additionally as of late surpassed a long time since its origin. Toyota Motor Corporation is the world's biggest car producer. This is just about multiple times bigger than Tesla. Toyota was named after Toyota, his maker. They won an honor for being the longest-running vehicle. In 1957, Toyota went to America and created in excess of 300,000 positions in the. Thanks for watching our video.